Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kakenhon Chemistry Club, jong ka Skolba North Eastern Hill University. Henne kasni ka Shitarik Ubnai Risau Rajar Khatpra. Kalalej IT da ka dorkhas jingdawa. Show registrar jong ka Skolba Nehu u Dr. JN Nayak. Bandawa na ki bot penya jong ka Skolba ban khangno mardor ya ka jingpanan kam ya borok ki tiar plastik hapo upor usam bahak apo ka kot jong ka Skolba Nehu. Nalor kene ka Chemistry Club kelab persngo thoru sheki bor penya halor ka jingprat pathar jong ki samla pule bat ki pajba yaki jabo jaban sharot shakyar jong kani ka Skolba watla hasilenter jong ki surok labo yaki cekabrat nyon hakeleng kani ka jingdawa jong ka Chemistry Club ka longkom si benta ya ka jingrakhe ya ka World Environment Day 2018 ka bakaran halor ka phang kiar na ka bapondon kam plastic.
Now this year, as you all know, that this year theme is beat plastic pollution, okay? And even if you move around the campus, you can see the menace of plastic pollution today. And the alarming rate at which we are increasing the plastic pollution, actually, we are not only digging our graves, we are also destroying the future of our next generations. Not only next generation, maybe the whole animal lives actually. So we are very concerned about that, and as a concerned citizen, we must take measure. Especially we are chemists, so we know better, or as better than the other people. So we are concerned, and that is why we have gathered today again to educate us, to educate people that what should be done. Even you all know the amount of plastic trash which is now gathered in seabed. So that not only it is destroying the marine life, but this also depicts that where we are really heading to and how callous we are regarding using of plastics and the way we are disposing it. So my only appeal to you, let's take place today that at least from today onwards, we will be concerned about that when we use plastics, and especially we will use it only when it is absolutely necessary. We will try to avoid that, and especially the single-use plastics like thin plastic bags and all.
We are not going to accept any kind of plastic plates, plastic cups and plastic glasses, and that they have already implemented. Whenever they are coming for any kind of catering, they are coming with paper cups, paper plates. So this is only an August beginning, and I am sure we will take it forward. Even we will ask the campus residents and we will request everybody to minimize this plastic, because I know all of a sudden this cannot be possible, this cannot be done. Though we say all these things, but people will definitely carry plastic bags. But slowly we must minimize this, so that when it is minimized, we will try to completely ban use of plastics in this campus, and then we will declare this campus a plastic-free zone, if all of it and I am there with you on this rally. I will be part of it. Thank you very much.